I've been asked by several visitors to my channel how to break into comics. Apparently, there's a lot of you who's interested in drawing comics like I am. And I think that's the most important thing, the desire to draw comics. It's very important that you love comics, no? Not just on a superficial level, but on a very deep, important and substantial level. You have to have comics in your veins and in your blood and in your entire body, in your every waking hour, even in your dreams. When I was trying to break in, I was dreaming of being in comics all the time. That is how much I wanted it. You know. That being said, you know, no matter what people tell you, if people tell you you can't do it, if people tell you you can do it, it doesn't matter. It shouldn't matter what people say to dissuade you or even encourage you. If it is in you to want to become a comic book artist or comic book writer, you will find ways to become one. And you will keep working at it. You'll be determined to do it. And every heartbreak and every stumbling block, you know, every obstacle that falls in your way, if you love comics enough, you know, if you really want it bad enough, you will get past all of that. You know? Even if I tell you now that you don't have a chance, boy, not a chance in hell, that is not going to stop you. And it should not stop you. And it should even encourage you to keep on doing it. That is a tip that I'm going to impart upon those who have been asking me. If you want to be in comics because you think it's a glamorous job, if you think it's a job that pays well, if it's something that you dream of doing because people come up to you and ask for your autograph at signings, and girls come up to you and ask you to sign their boobies, if that is your motivation for wanting to be in comics, I assure you right now that you would not last. You would not last even a single day of working in comics, because I have to admit that creating comics, drawing comics is a very difficult job. It's very difficult. And I realized this when I started working in comics and I was faced with the deadline of finishing one page a day. And because I was new and I didn't have that kind of mentality yet, it nearly killed me. The job nearly killed me, because my God, this is so hard. I'm working 20 hours a day just to finish this page. And if you are in comics for other reasons than the love of it, you would not last. You know? You really have to want it. You really have to love it. You know, that's my tip. And that said, you know, if you still want to be in comics, that's good. You know, if you really want to. You know. I suggest that you follow CB Cebulski on Twitter. That's his address right there. Follow him on Twitter and read through his archives, and you will see a mountain of valuable tips for any artist who wants to break in comics today. CB Cebulski is Marvel Comics talent liaison or art agent, talent scout. No, not an agent, a talent scout. And he's always on the lookout for new artists. And don't just show him your work without reading through his tips, because there is a specific way of showing your samples. There is a specific thing that they are looking for. So be sure to read through his tweets, read through the archive before you send him anything. And a word of advice, additional advice from me, um, you don't have to start working, you don't have to want to start working for the big companies right away, Marvel, DC, and Image. Because if you are a new artist, you know, and you make a very very good portfolio, you make a very good sample, and they hire you, you do not have the experience yet to finish a monthly book, to finish one page a day. I tell you, it's very difficult. Practice the art of creating comics first with smaller companies with longer deadlines. You know, just to for you to learn the ropes. You know? There's nothing worse than for a beginning artist to learn the ropes as he is working for Marvel right off the bat. Because if you can take the pressure, if you can take the difficulty, you know, people would know about it. The biggest editors, the biggest comic book fans, you know, the biggest comics company in the world would know that you failed. Okay? Why would you want to do that? You know, start off with a smaller company, learn the ropes there, learn how to create comics. You know? Comics is not just drawing people. It's not. Comics is learning to tell stories in visual form. As an artist, you have to know that it's not enough that you can draw big guys with bursting muscles and voluptuous babes. It's not enough. You have to learn how to tell a story through your pictures. That means you have to learn how to draw everything, not just people. You have to learn how to draw cars, how to draw animals, how to draw trees, how to draw buildings, how to draw fire hydrants, how to draw roads, how to draw all different kinds of plants, horses, cats, dogs, everything. You have to know how to draw everything and draw them correctly and in the proper perspective. See, that's, you're starting to get it now, that what it takes to be a successful comic book artist. You know. And if you are not discouraged by this, and if you still want to be in comics after this, good for you. And you're in you're off to a good start. And that said, good luck, and hopefully I would see your name in one of the comics very soon.